Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So many congratulations, my brother. After the expert price prediction, after my price prediction, finally I found one decision, and absolutely I have a good news for all holders on 5th November, my brother. So let's get started the brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, what's new on 5th November? Definitely, my friend, is the very huge explosion is coming soon on 5th November, and my friend, the price is 100% pumps up. So therefore this is really great news for all XRP coin holder. And my friend, why I tell you to in 5th November the price is pumps up, let me explain now, my friend. From last 12 hours, first of all, many congratulations to price for the starting pump. You can see 3.83% there's XRP price will increase, and 1.05 USD dollar is the highest, and 1.01 USD dollar is the current price. So if we check out, my friend, the last 3 days, so in last 3 days, my friend, especially short time investor are starting selling, because when a holder, my friend, especially invest in the start of month, then absolutely sell it in the end of month. So therefore, my friend, definitely I will tell you in my previous video too, in the 1st November, my friend, the price is totally moving upward, absolutely, because why I tell you this, because my friend, in the start of month holder are starting buying. So then when the holder are starting buying, then the price will pumping up, the price will increasing now. So therefore, my friend, I will make my previous video. All right, so this video is, my friend, absolutely very important for all holder. On 5th November, what's new, my friend? On 5th November, 100% the price will be increased, because, my friend, especially some holder are starting selling in the start of month, but after the 5th November, 100%, my friends, holder are starting holding, especially long time investor, and my friend, absolutely they never starting selling. So therefore I hope to on 5th November, XRP price will wake up and get a very huge profit. So I hope, my friends, my prediction 100% going positive, and I hope to in upcoming days the price will more and more pumps up. So therefore please don't starting selling, hold it. I hope, my friends, they will make you a millionaire. So see you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.